it's here. I'll put this here. So this is interesting links for you, okay? And let's start now. I know that a lot of, I just realized that some persons here know blockchain have your own wallet, but I'm not sure if every person have a wallet. So my first question will be, do you have Metamask or other wallet installed?
I have MetaMask. I think a few people.
So answer me.
If you don't have MetaMask, just go metamask.io. Metamask.io. And you can get it. It's a browser extension. So you're gonna need MetaMask.
Yes. It's Anthony. In some workshops I started, I uninstalled my MetaMask and installed again with the persons if they need it. Because of this, I'm asking.
Got it.
Perfect. I saw that Paul answered in the chat. I prefer, Paul, if you answer here in my pad, because I'm missing here better. We are interacting the same place. So, perfect. We have the MetaMask. This is my MetaMask just now. I installed and installed again to don't have nothing configured. And let's go to Academy.
Can you share your
all of you go here.
Oh, I think your screen is...
I'm not showing my screen?
No, wait, I see your...
Yes,
wait, never mind. I'm sorry. No, I see the screen. My mistake.
Yes, you need to click on my screen. So here in Academy, this is a course like you can subscribe and do tests, do more things. I will not do everything with you today, but I will show some path of learning. The first time we are here, we will do the login, because doing the login, we are configuring the MetaMask to use RSK. So click on login, right here the other side. So login, MetaMask, login, MetaMask. Let's wait a bit because they are looking for my MetaMask probably. I know what's happened. You're not happy with you. It's happened only with me because I installed the MetaMask after I have this page opened. So I refresh just now and I will do it again. My connection, I think it's a bit slow. Yes, login, MetaMask. Now will authorize MetaMask to use this site, to connect in this site. Oh, it's so slow now. What's happened? Let's wait. Next and connect. Then you need to select the network. Our network is the testnet. So select the RSK testnet. We are using fake tokens, so we don't need to worry about the value of them. MetaMask you open to configure the RSK network here. So is this. We are adding this. It's someone with the mic open that it's better to close, and we open only if you need to talk something, please. So I will approve this. And then I'm switching to this new network. This is approve and switch network. Stop the process. Oh, Sergio, you need to have Metamask. So, Sergio, first go to here. You need to go here to install the Metamask. Okay? This is for Sergio. And then we did this part. So if I came to my Metamask just now, here I open my Metamask again. Why so slow? So it's okay. And here you can see that I am in the testnet now. And I have some RBTCs here, but probably you don't have nothing. Even here it's showing ETH8, but it's not Ether. It's RBTC, but Metamask only shows ETH8, so it's not a problem. Don't worry about it, okay? So the second point is to have RBTCs. Here in Academy, I am connected. You can see now that I am connected. Ignore this. This is a domain that I was teaching domains, RNS domains this week. So this is my domain. So I came to courses. If you need to install a wallet, here I'm teaching how to install the Nifty wallet. It's another wallet that have RSK inside, so it's good too. But here, if you are so beginner and you need to know more about crypto wallets, about the concepts, here it's a good place to you start, okay? Another point, we did the connection just now, and now we are going to the Faucet. So where you put this is a reference. So the RSK Faucet. This is a reference. And the Faucet is only this. Here you have all the instructions, but I only need to go here. So go here. Reference. Okay. Go here in the Faucet, and you put your address here and resolve the captcha. Let's do it. That's my address. It's so slow to show my address. Again, okay. This is my address, I copy it. So I'm pasting here and resolving the captcha. And then I click on Get Test RBTC. And in 30 seconds, you have more RBTCs. I have a lot, I know. But I'm doing the process with you to understand how it works. Perfect, I'm waiting. This is the time. What happened now? Like the Faucet from RBTC, it sends a transaction to the blockchain, and the miners will validate this transaction, and they will say, okay, you can have the RBTCs, and this is the transaction. Like if I came here, I can see the hash of the transaction on the Explorer. And this transaction is from miners sending me RBTCs. You will receive 0.05 RBTCs. It's more than enough you need. 0.05 RBTCs, and you are using this to create our smart contract. Iterate. Perfect. This is the Faucet. This is okay too. So let's go to the next step. Now I know that I I have the RBTC network configured in my wallet. I have RBTCs, so I'm already done. I'm done to create my first smart contract. My first smart contract is here. If you like, here you have an exercise to do your first transfer, to subscribe to Academy. We can do this in the end of the workshop. Can explain more about it. But now let's go to the smart contract intro. So this smart contract is very, very basic, okay? I'm not advanced now, but the most important is to you learn the path, learn the ways to do. And we are using Remix. So Remix is a very, very important tool from Ethereum. I really love Remix. Remix.ethereum.org.
Can you post the links in the workshop chat so people can get the links?
Anthony, I prefer I put on the workshop chat the link of the pad. I prefer that all people go to the pad and follow the pad. It's better for me.
Okay, cool, we got it.
If the people go to the pad, yes, it's better. It's very better.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yes, I will be crazy if I need to go to the other chat too. Remixes take a long time today. Let me check the remix on the... Oh, no. Without this, without the secure version, maybe it's better. Because I don't know if the problem is remix or is my connection. That's today so rage. What's happening?
Someone is asking, can I use wallet?
No.
I'm sorry?
Okay. Ximena, you can use Nifty, it's the same. But if you use Nifty, you can refresh the Academy page and then you choose Nifty. Instead of Metamask, you show Nifty for you. You don't need to use the Wallet Connect. You can use directly, you can choose the Nifty, okay? So, we are here now. Yes, now I am in the remix, but I will ask you a question before, only to be sure that are you okay? Sergio, not Sergio. Here. So, answer this question for me. Do you have TRBTs? Like, do you are able to have it? Answer for me, please. Sergio, do you install the Metamask? Okay, Sergio, it's okay. And Ximena, I know that you have Nifty wallet. Probably I have it too. But if you have Nifty wallet, it's the same. It's exactly the same. Look this. like I will disabilitate my MetaMask, disable, and enable the NIFT. What happened just now?